Number 7 is we're going to find the derivative of f of x equals x squared plus 3x plus 5, which we know it is 2x plus 3, but we're going to use the definition of derivative to find this 2x plus 3. So the definition of the derivative is f prime of x equals limit as h approaches 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And that is equal to, we're going to take x plus h and substitute it into every x. So this is x plus h squared plus 3x plus h plus 5, then minus f of x minus x squared plus 3x plus 5 over h. Then this one is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, and this one is 3x plus h plus 5 minus x squared minus 3x minus 5 over h. Then x squared cancels x squared, 3x cancels 3x, 5 cancels 5. Then this becomes equal to limit as x approaches 0 2xh plus h squared plus 3h over h. Then factor out h, then this becomes limit as h approaches 0 h times 2x plus h plus 3 over h. The h cancels the h, then this is limit as x approaches 0 2x plus h plus 3. Then this is equal to 2x plus 0 plus 3, which is 2x plus 3. Then to find the slope of the tangent, instantaneous rate of change at x equals 4, then this is f prime of 4, which is 2 times 4 plus 3, which is 8 plus 3, which is equal to 11. So that's the slope of the tangent. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.